One final thing we might want to change about how these links work, because they point to sites outside of this one, is to open up the links in a new tab or a new window. The way we can do that with an anchor tag is by using a property called target. Now what target will do is take the keyword that we pass to it, let's say we pass new to it, and it will create a new window called new. Or if there's a window already called new, it will replace the contents in that window with the contents of this link. If we always wanted to open up a fresh window, which tends to be better for usability purposes, we can use the keyword underscore blank. So I'm going to copy this and I'll paste it in these other links as well. In general, causing links to open up new windows for other pages on your site isn't an awesome idea unless you have a very specific reason to have multiple windows in the interface. However, if you're going to external sites, opening up in a new window can help that user kind of keep their place on your site while they check out the external site. Ultimately, it's up to you to figure out which will be the most usable to your users.